This is a Chucky Beat production.
Okay, so I finished the installation. I let it dry overnight. It definitely didn't come out perfect. There's a little spotting right here. I don't know what the hell that is. And coming from a glass screen protector, it's definitely gonna take a little bit of time to get used to, but the edges came back, they're relatively okay. If you can see that, everything is sticking. There's no bubbles on the edges, and it works perfectly with this Spigen or however the fuck you say it case. The key to the sides is letting it dry 15 minutes after you put it on, and then you kind of gotta wipe the sides down and keep working on them for the next like 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, just to make sure all the air bubbles are out of the sides. Both sides came out pretty clean, as you can see. It just took a little bit of time to get the placement exactly right, but as you can see, it fits perfectly with this case, which this case I highly recommend too. I just put this on as well with the new screen protector. It's really nice. It's this, however the hell you pronounce this, tough armor. So it's really thin, but you get a really good protection. As you can see, it has a lip right here. So if you drop it, it should protect it pretty well. It's got really great reviews on Amazon. It's one of the most bought cases for this phone. So yeah, I'm not really 100% sure on how much I'm gonna like this, because as you can see, it's like a fingerprint magnet. When I was in the car today using it, it was kind of a dust magnet, and I have to keep wiping it off. So, I mean, overall, the installation went easy. It fits really good. I'm not sure about the film protector. I'm still gonna link it into the description box below. But coming from a glass screen protector, I think I might try this out for a few weeks. I might go back to the glass screen protector, but try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Installation went pretty easily. It is a good screen protector if you like the film ones, and it does stick all the way around. So if this is what you want, I'd highly recommend it. I just, I don't know. I feel like for me, the glass, I like the feel of it better. It just was easier to kind of wipe off and stuff like that, but I don't know. It's working for now, so peace.